What up, Puff Puff Gang? What's good, y'all? I don't even know what's the name of that truck. Taco something. I'm just gonna say a taco truck.
What's this thing?
Okay, you got it. I mean, well, not got it. I ain't telling you to go. Yeah, you ain't nothing coming over there if you can find your way out. You got it. They cars turning, but you got it. Yep, you got it. Anyway, y'all, I got me a burrito here. I was gonna get some tacos, but I might eat some tacos. Ain't we passing Rusty's?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, yeah, I knew it was this way.
Well, it ain't up in this area. It's on down.
On down, right.
That's where I was going to get my auntie.
Okay. Because Rusty sell tacos. I want a gyro anyway. I'm gonna get one, not today though, y'all. Whoa, these things big. Got me a burrito. I don't know if y'all can see my big old burrito. You can see it. Is this green stuff hot? I think so. I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna try both of them. Alright, I'm gonna say grace, y'all. I'm finna me and Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive in Jesus' name. I pray, amen. I should have said no rice. It's alright though. Make sure. Woo!
It's hot. It is hot.
Yeah. Woo! Dang, I ain't got no towel.
Okay. Napkins.
Okay. So
you need some?
not right yet. I'm gonna need some, bro. Woo! That's hot too. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna start with this. Both these hot.
They look good, though.
Mm-hmm. It is good.
What is it, steak?
Mm-hmm.
It's real good.
Steak burrito.
Mm-hmm.
With everything. I'm gonna have to get some oxygen next time.
You say that all the time.
I know. And when you go get it, y'all be ready to eat now.
Mm-hmm. You know, I have to eat it at least, 2 times a month?
Yeah. Yeah, you always.
Yeah. Gotta have my hot chicken.
Yeah. It's good though.
Yeah, it is good. Real.
Yeah, order fufu no more.
Nah. I don't care that much for that.
Okay.
I better stick with my hot chicken.
Yeah.
Something that I know.
Right.
Like, you know.
You never ordered nothing else? Okay.
Just the fufu and the hot chicken. The fish hot chicken.
Right. Yeah. They sell lamb meat and stuff.
Lamb meat.
Mm-hmm. Katrina had ordered some. We just got video.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was pretty good. But I don't know if that's the same food as same people that cook the ashiki. Because, you know, they got different types of African food that people make. So, I don't know if everybody cook the same food.
same people for I know for sure 6 years.
Yeah.
But I started out eating ajiki when I stayed in these apartments. This African lady used to always fix these, the fish ajiki plates.
Okay.
You can just order from her when she was cooking out her apartment. So that's why I said I've been eating, I've been eating African food for so long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some
But that's not originally why I started eating it from at that restaurant.
Right.
I've been eating at that restaurant for the last probably six years, I want to say.
Oh, that was real.
That particular one, yeah.
Right. Oh, you moved in the area?
Well, I'm from Whitehaven, so yeah, I was staying out this way when I started
eating. Right. Been eating ever since, huh?
Been eating it ever since.
Right. It is good.
Yeah, it is. And she already know. She said, "You don't want it fried hard, right?" I said,
Right.
"No, ma'am. You already know."
Yeah, they know.
I don't like my fish fried hard. I'll be ready to clown then.
Right, like that last ajiki I did, that fish was hard.
Oh yeah. But see, you know what?
Too hard,
I got
though.
that from another
African
restaurant. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't even deal with them no more, period. Yeah, that was just a waste of money right there. Mine was hard.
just saying somebody some hard fish.
Right. And I know they you can look at it and tell it's hard.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
I ain't selling you no hard fish. I want your business.
Exactly.
I'm gonna make
They lost
money.
mine.
Right.
But I had went there once before, a couple of times before. It was fine.
Okay.
But that particular time,
it messed up.
It was just fried too hard.
Right, way too hard.
Yeah.
And for some reason, we didn't go to that one. To the one we normally go to.
Right. That's why I'm going to. I'm gonna stick with what I know. I always say that.
Right.
I'm gonna stick with what I know.
But they fish is always nice and
Fresh.
yeah, but it don't be hard. The burrito was good though. That ain't hot sauce, it's hot. Yeah. Woo!
Lord, he wanna have
What
to
happened?
be flying. This dang on truck here.
Because they want to get it over.
I guess it's going too slow for him. Look at him. Check him out. Check him out. He's flying. Oh my goodness.
That's a young guy.
That's how people have wrecks and hurt other people. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. A you impact.
In the rough. The probably ain't going nowhere.
Exactly. Here's another fool.
I ain't got a kid in the car.
Check him out. He flying too.
Oh, he always be flying.
I can't take him.
The police don't, but they be around. They don't catch everybody, They can't catch everybody. Right. Some people slip through with the speed.
The ones they need to get, they don't get.
Right.
Then they mess with the innocent people. I
Right.
ain't gonna say they innocent. They got stopped for a reason, but still,
No, they
just speeding a little bit. You know what I'm
right,
saying?
just speeding over a little bit over, Well, I know if people be doing like 10, 20 over. You can lose your license doing that, though.
Exactly.
They gonna say you reckless driving. You could hurt somebody. I should have got me a water, something to drink. I wouldn't
I
even.
got one of those peach.
Oh, teas.
Yeah, if you want it.
I knew the price. Cold. It's cold now.
It was cold. I got it to bring with me.
Right.
Just in case I had a headache or something.
Okay.
Because I can't take these with water. You already know that.
Yeah, I know.
I gotta have me a juice.
Right.
Or a drink or something.
So, right.
You already know that.
Right. I
Great.
just like my drinks cold. I don't like it.
Oh, it wouldn't have been cold by now anyway.
Yeah.
Well, it
if it was in
so
the freezer, it probably would.
Oh, yeah. If it was frozen a little bit.
I should grab one of them icy waters.
Actually, did you want
I
to
know, and I didn't. I didn't think I was going to get nothing to eat while I was out eating, y'all. So I ain't grab one. Yep.
I'm going to get out the way now. I want to turn too. You know what? I'm so over Whitehaven. I'm over this down here.
No, being down
yeah, because I mean, you know what? Me and Mama was. This was like I want to say 4 years ago. Though.
Right.
I was coming out of Walgreens right down the range, and Elvis Presley. This guy come out of Walgreens.
Right.
I was in a turning lane. He come out of Walgreens and hit me. It kept going.
Right, like you did nothing.
Just kept going, just left us knocked us in another lane, and we just sitting there, you know. So I pulled over to the CVS.
Right.
And I got out, and my car was messed up. Mama was scared. I'm scared. She said, "What we gonna do?" I said, "Mom, the car is drivable, so I'm just gonna drive on home and try to get, you know." It was crazy, but yeah, she was shaking up. I was shaking up.
Right. That stuff happened to me too. Sitting at a red light in Milwaukee on 12th and Right. Dude, drunk. And then I know I'm be sitting at the light, and then I know we in the empty lot, in the empty field. He knocked us all the way across the light into another empty field that was across the street.
For real?
Yeah, I'm like,
Hit y'all
hard. Then we chased and called him. This dude drunk.
Wow.
I'm like, ain't this something, man?
Yeah.
How would you get behind the wheel and you like this?
But hey, there's a lot of them do that.
Man,
that's why so many fatal car accidents.
I know. If you could get, I don't even know how you make it to the car being this sloppy. And then you got your nerve being, he was in the car with a woman. Like, I know something wrong with you for being in the car with him.
Yeah.
You still in the car with him after he hit us? Ain't no way heck I would still be in the car with him.
But guess what? I had a cousin that had been at a bar.
Right.
And I think this was his first time ever riding a motorcycle.
Right. Oh, yeah.
You know, did I tell you about this story?
No, I was just thinking on that road, but go ahead.
And anyway, no, I'm not gonna say this was his first time riding a motorcycle. Okay. I think he wasn't a drinker or something. It was something to this story, but anyway, let me tell you about it.
Right.
So anyway, they said he had got a little tips or whatever.
Right.
He had met this lady. She had like 3 or 4 kids. Daughters.
Right.
Older lady. She was older than him.
Right.
So she said she, went on. They said she went on to the club with him or whatever, and called my cousin and told her that I think my cousin's name was Justin.
Right.
She said Justin's so drunk. So my other cousin went up there to the club.
Right.
And said he had fell on the parking lot. He had already fell on the parking lot. He was just drunk. Said he got up on the motorcycle. He told her, he said, "Come on." She got on the motorcycle with him right here. You remember we just come with up under that overpass right there, underpass, whatever you call that thing. Yeah, I know that's where they had the wreck at. Kill her, kill himself. She got her head got taken off her whole body. She was decapitated.
Yeah, that's messed up.
Left all her daughters and stuff. My cousin was telling me about this story. I said, "Girl, you lying." She said, "Girl, he was," but he didn't. He wasn't a drinker. So I guess any little thing, get him,
Yeah.
tips or whatever. And to ride a motorcycle while you drunk? Come on now, that was crazy right there.
Right.
But that happened. That's a true story.
One time learning how to ride, I fell off, but I wasn't drunk.
I don't know how to ride motorcycle.
I only fell off.
And I don't want to get on the bike with nobody.
Nobody, right. Right.
I did it one time. I burnt my leg real bad.
But, oh, yeah, you can't wear shorts. Them pipes be burning, smoking.
When I was young, I rode with this guy one time, and my whole leg got burnt back here.
Yep. So, that's why people wear pants when they ride.
I learned my lesson.
Them shorts go burn. You just gotta keep them away from that hot engine and them pipes.
Right.
I'm doing my window.
So you gonna go in there and get it?
Yeah, I go get it.
Okay, you gotta end your video.
Yeah, I'm finna end it. Yeah, I'm done for now. I'm gonna do another video later. I'm probably getting me some Taco Bell. I still want some tacos. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all soon with another video. And y'all stay safe and blessed. Peace, love y'all. Till later.